Beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Beauty of Joseon Green Plum Refreshing Cleanser. Indulge in the beauty of Joseon Green Plum Refreshing Cleanser, a skincare revelation with a harmonious blend of mung bean extract and plum water. This dynamic duo works tirelessly, synergizing to bid farewell to dead skin cells and excess sebum, revealing a complexion that breathes freshness and vitality. Embrace the luxury of a light gel-type formula that delicately cleanses without robbing your skin of its natural moisture. The hypoallergenic, mildly acidic nature of this cleanser makes it a sanctuary for sensitive skin, ensuring a pH balance that's a match made in skincare heaven. Behold the pastel green gradient tube, a visual delight containing 100 milliliters of this elixir, yours for a modest $13. The gentle gel, barely tinted green, reveals its magic against a white canvas and unveils a subtle, refreshing scent that transforms your cleansing routine into a sensorial experience. Delight in the artistry of foam, firm, and unyielding, a passion for those who appreciate the finer details of skincare. Revel in the joy of using a product that not only cleanses, but also brings a tactile pleasure to your daily ritual. Personalize your experience as you join the legion of satisfied users. If you're navigating the complex landscape of oily, acne-prone skin evolving with age, this cleanser is your steadfast ally. Luxuriate in the fluffy texture that leaves your skin cleansed, not parched, and relish the absence of an overwhelming scent, just a subtle breath of freshness. Yet, in the dance of satisfaction, a minor note emerges. The 100 ml volume, while a testament to concentrated skincare, leaves a desire for more. The investment in this skincare gem may be deemed a tad steeper when compared to counterparts in the market. As you savor the benefits, consider the balance between indulgence and economy. After all, radiant skin deserves the best, even if it comes in a modest 100 ml tube.